Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue our next chapter, that is chapter 10, Inland Trade. In the previous lecture, we have studied what is inland trade, and we have classified inland trade into two parts. That is, inland trade can be classified into two parts, that is, wholesale trade or retail trade. Wholesale trade we have discussed in the previous lecture. Today in this video we will discuss about retail trade or the retailers and types of retailers. When we talk about retail trade means buying and selling of goods in small quantities. When we talk about wholesalers are the person who buy and sell things in large quantities. But when we buy and sell things in small quantity, then that type of trade is known as retail trade. Retail trade consists of buying goods from the wholesaler and selling goods to the final consumer in small quantities for satisfying their daily needs. So what is the work of the retailer? The retailer, he buy things from the wholesaler and then he give it to the then the retailer give it to the ultimate consumer. Retail trade is the final stage of distribution of goods as the thing has been reached to the consumer. First of all, the retailer bring things from the wholesaler and then it is given to the consumer through the retailer. A retailer provides a link between the wholesaler and the consumer. Therefore, retailer occupies a unique position in the system of distribution and is the last link in the chain of distribution. Now next we have to study characteristic of a retailer. Characteristic, you can say a retailer is the link between a wholesaler and the consumer, and you can say it is the last link in the chain of distribution. Last link, why? Because the manufacturer or the producer produce things, after that it is taken by the wholesaler. From the wholesaler it is sent to the retailer, and after retailer, the retailer gives the commodity or things to the consumer. Therefore, you can say the retailer is the last link in the chain of distribution. Retailer buy goods in small quantities from the wholesaler and sell goods in small quantities to the consumer. He deals in different variety of products. He maintains personal contacts and individual relationship with his customers. He deals in a wide variety of goods because he has a particular shop. Therefore, he deals in variety of goods. He can start business with less capital also because he has to buy things in small quantity. He operates both on a small scale also and large scale also. He serves a limited sphere in the market. He is guided by the service motive of his customers. Now next in your book it is given functions of a retailer and service rendered by the retailer. That is not in your syllabus. Next we will study about types of retailer. Now when we talk about retailers, who are the retailer? Those who are involved in retail trade are known as retailers. Retailers are the person who buy and sell things in small quantities. Now you can classify, or we can classify this retail trade into two categories, or we can say there are two types of retailer, that is itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. Whenever we talk about itinerant retailers, that is means that type of retailer who do not have a fixed place to carry out their trade. For example, any vegetable person who sell vegetables on a stall, he don't have a fixed shop. Therefore, he will wander around the streets and then he will sell his item. Therefore, he is not having a fixed place. The person who is not the retailer who is not having a fixed place to sell out his thing is known as itinerant retailers. Therefore, they move from one place to another to sell their goods. They are also called mobile retailers. They need limited funds to carry on their business. They don't need much fund to carry on their business. Such traders are found dealing in fruits, vegetables, fish and other perishable products. They can be usually seen along the roadside, streets, railway compartments, bus stands and fairs. Now next you can see that the basic features of itinerant retailers. You can say that they do not have a fixed premises. They move from one place to another in order to sell their goods. They need limited funds to carry on the business. They provide valuable service to the consumer in keeping down prices. Their prices are very low. They may not have any fixed timing of working. Because they are not having any particular shop, so anytime they can come and sell their things. They often help the producers in clearing their surplus production also. They deal in daily needed article like vegetable, fruit, milk, egg, fish, etc. Next is types of itinerant retailers. There are many types of itinerant retailers, that is hawkers or peddlers. Here it is written peddlers separate and hawkers separate. You can say that they are known as hawkers and peddlers in your book, that is written. Next is pavement traders, or you can say street traders. Next is market traders, and last one is cheap jack. When we talk about hawkers and peddlers, these type of retailers sell goods to the consumer right at the door. When any retailer is coming right at your door and giving the thing, then they are known as hawkers and peddlers, and they are found in selling things which consist of vegetable, fruit, toy, milk, fish, eggs, like this. They take the goods from one street to another on their head in a basket or on carts or on cycle, vans, etc., and they sell out their things. Next one is pavement or street traders. Pavement or street traders means they sell their goods at a busy street. They will not come to your place and they will give the things, but they will sell the goods at a busy street corners or pavements. They are also called roadside traders because they are selling things on the side of the road. That is why they are known as roadside traders. They are also found in selling their goods in front of different markets, and they usually sell consumer goods for daily use. Next one is market traders. Market traders, these retailers move from one market to another market and they sell their products at periodical market days. They are not sitting every day, but like in Gorakhpur we can see that one Tuesday market is there. Every Tuesday they come and sell out their things. So these type of traders are known as market traders. Last one is cheap jacks. Cheap jacks, these type of retailers sell their goods in a small shop. Small shop means they will not have a very well maintained shop. They will make a stall type shop which will have a proper umbrella type cover and all, which they can move from one place to another also. They will have a small shop. They establish their stall where there are more customers. Usually they deal in household articles. Normally they are found at bus stand, railway station, busy roads, crossing, etc. Next one is fixed shop retailers. Fixed shop retailers, by the name you can say that type of retailer which are having a fixed shop to sell out their thing are known as fixed shop retailers. These retailers are those persons who have well established shop, and these shops may differ as regard with their size and scale of business. These retailers normally deal in specific kind of goods, like first of all you can say that these fixed shop retailer you can classify into two categories, that is small shopkeepers and large retailers. Fixed shop retailers, again fixed shop retailers you can classify into two categories, that is small shopkeepers and large retailers. When we talk about small scale retailers, again we can classify that into four categories, that is street stall holders, specialty shop holders, general shop holders and second hand good dealers. When we talk about street stall holders, these type of retailer carry on the business on a very small scale in a busy crowded street, railway station, bus stand, and they usually deals in household articles. They are having a very small shop, okay, and they whatever investment they are making, it is also very less, like they sell newspaper, magazines, stationery, pan, beedi, vegetable, cosmetic. They are known as street stall holders. Specialty shop holders, these type of retailers deal in one particular line of good, that is school uniform, books, shoes, utensil, curtain, leather goods, electronic goods, etc. Next is general shop holders. General shop holder, they are not specified in selling only one type of product. They used to sell many types of item, and sometimes they give services like home delivery, credit sales facility or exchange of unsuitable goods also they provide. Last one is second hand good delivery dealers. These type of retailers they deal in second hand goods. What they do, they buy things, old things, and they again sell it. They deal in goods like old furniture, used clothes, utensils, books. Sometimes when we have to buy books, we go to a shop where they sell second hand books. From there we can get books in a lower price. So that type of retailers are known as second hand good dealers. Next is large scale retailers. Whenever we talk about large scale retailers, means big shop, those retailers which are having big shops, that is known as large scale retailers. Now they are classified as departmental stores, supermarket, chain stores, malls you can say, then MOB, that is known as mail order business, and last one is consumer cooperative stores. So in this time only, means in unit test 2 only departmental store will come. After that in next exam all will come. So in the next lecture we will study about departmental store. What is departmental store? Till then you can see the difference between, now you can differentiate between wholesaler and the retailer. Wholesaler, you can say that they are the connecting link between the manufacturer and the retailer. Retailers, they are the connecting links between the wholesaler and the consumer. Wholesaler, they purchase good in large quantities, and retailers, they purchase goods in small quantities. In this way you can differentiate by your own also between wholesaler and the retailer. So in the next lecture we will study about what is departmental store. Thank you.